22 May 2010, a software developer used almost 10,000 bitcoins just to buy 2 pizzas. He thought Bitcoin doesn't hold any value, so why don't we use it to buy pizzas? But you would be shocked to know that those bitcoins are now worth more than 3,400 crores. Now the question comes that if you were on the place of that software developer, what would you do? Maybe the answer is that you would have done the same. But why? Have you ever been in a situation when you are watching a movie and in initial 10 to 15 minutes you realize that it is a total disaster? But 90% of the people will not live that movie right there, rather they will see it for other 2 to 3 hours till it's complete. Now the question is, why? The answer lies in phenomena called sunk cost fallacy. Now this may sound complicated, but it is really simple. We as humans spend money, and we spend money, we think that the money is gone, but now I have to take the full advantage of that money which I have spent, but now I don't have a choice to get that money back. So what I will do, I will utilize that money to the fullest, and the same thing happened with Bitcoin. People bought Bitcoin in the initial days and realized that its value was not increasing, so they thought why not to use those Bitcoins to gain some value out of it. So they just sold their Bitcoins, and let me tell you, that was the biggest mistake of their life. When we buy an asset, its value doesn't increase overnight, but it takes months or years, and most of the people don't have patience. So guys, hold on tight, because I'm gonna tell you how a guy converted $4,000 into $233 million in just 1 year. So this guy just used a simple principle called coin swapping. Coin swapping means you are converting one cryptocurrency into other, or exchanging one into other. Now to uncover this mystery that how this guy did this, let us go into the transaction history of that wallet in which the guy traded. So let's analyze all those transactions which were done through Shiba Inu coin. Yes guys, Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu token was listed on Binance on 10th May and on Huobi Global on 8th May. You can look into my screen. I have opened up the Etherscan application, and here I am going to show you all those transactions which were made on the wallet with only $4,000. So now you can see that this is the transaction list, but it seems to be complicated. So I have made it very simple for you guys. So guys, we finally come to the part where I am going to tell you how this guy converted $4,000 into $233 million only in 1 year. So here you can see, here comes the first ever transaction on this wallet, which is of converting Ethereum into Shiba Inu. As you can see in the action, swapped means that he swapped Ethereum into Shiba Inu. Whenever you see E as first, that means that Ethereum was converted into Shiba Inu. Here you can see the value of 15 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in US dollars right now. So guys, just imagine only with 10 Ethereum he bought 15 trillion Shiba Inu coins on 7th of 2020. Now you can see there are some stake transactions and there are some withdraw transactions. Now here comes the main game. These are the 5 trades where he started his magic. You can see that he swapped Shiba Inu tokens into Ethereum, and only by swapping only 1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens he got 28 Ethereum. Let me tell you that he bought only with 10 Ethereum 15 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, and now he just swapped 1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens for 28 Ethereum. Similar transactions were made till 5th of April, and here you can see how easily he multiplied his 10 Ethereum into multiple hundreds of Ethereum. After being silent for almost 11 days, this guy comes with a comeback. Here you can see all these transactions were made on 16th of April 2021. But what were these transactions? Let us see. If you look carefully, you can see one pattern. He converted Shiba Inu tokens into Ethereum, and after some time he again converted Ethereum into Shiba Inu. Again he converted Shiba Inu into Ethereum, and after that he converted those Ethereum into Shiba Inu. So what is exactly happening here? So let me tell you guys, there is a pattern that whenever the price of Shiba Inu token increased, he converted those Shiba Inu tokens into Ethereum, and when the price of Ethereum increased, he converted those Ethereums into Shiba Inu tokens. Similarly, he did all those transactions on 16th of April. Let us just see how much was the amount. Here you can see 245 billion Shiba Inu tokens were converted into 50 Ethereums. After some time, 458 billion Shiba Inu tokens were converted into 101 Ethereum. So here you can clearly see how many times his Ethereum, that is 10 Ethereums, were converted into hundreds of Ethereum. And now comes the important date, which is 8th of May. And if you remember on 8th of May, Huobi Global listed Shiba Inu token, and obviously with the listing the price of Shiba Inu token increased and he swapped Shiba Inu into Ethereum. And similar transaction was made on 10th of May when the Shiba Inu token was listed on Binance, and yet again he swapped Shiba Inu token into Ethereum. And you can see here he swapped 235 billion Shiba Inu tokens into 1100 Ethereum. You can find the proof of this transaction in the link in the description, which will take you to the Twitter handle of Mr. Gaurav Dahake, who is the CEO of BitBNS, and he has shared all those transactions on his Twitter handle. Now let us continue on how this mysterious guy multiplied his wealth even further. Now here you can see on 10th of May he transferred around 1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, and after transferring again on 18th of May he started with pool staking his 1 trillion Shiba Inu tokens on 6th of July. Now here you can see on 17th of July 2021 he transferred 1.46 trillion Shiba Inu tokens, and after transferring them, and finally on 19th of August 2021 he exited the pool with 1 trillion Shiba Inu. And recently on 19th of October, as you can see here, there were 3 transactions of transferring of 45 billion Shiba Inu tokens. After that, only one day later on 20th of October, you can see here that there were around 5 transactions of transfer of around 45 billion Shiba Inu tokens. And again on 21st of October 2021 we can see there were couple of transactions regarding 45 billion Shiba Inu tokens transfer, and similarly he transferred 49 billion Shiba Inu tokens on 24th of October, and again on 26th of October we can see there were couple of transactions in which he transferred 45 billion Shiba Inu tokens and 13 billion Shiba Inu tokens. And finally on 27th of October you can see there was a transfer of 250 billion Shiba Inu tokens. This wallet address is again active, and guys, we are keeping a close eye on this wallet because we are expecting some more magic happening soon. And through this exact process the guy was able to convert $4,000 into $233 million. But we would like to tell you that there are only some coins which can give you 100% profit, and in 99% of the cases most of the coins will give you a hefty loss. So it is very crucial to take informed decision or you will face hefty losses. And if you don't have idea of a coin, please don't invest in that particular coin. Also, never invest by taking loans. What if you lose all your money, your hard earned money? So first research and then only invest in cryptocurrency. So guys, that's all for today's video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel because we are going to bring you the best content ever. And thank you so much for watching.